Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Nihongo De Mirai. This is Pradeep Sharma and today we are going to learn a particle which is wa particle. With this particle we can make simple sentences of Japanese language. So according to hiragana characters we will write it ha, but whenever we will use it as a particle we will pronounce it as a wa. That's why I am saying wa particle. Now let's move to the next slide and see how we can use it and make some simple sentences. So guys, making a simple sentence in Japanese is really easy. You just have to add this to any noun to mean like I am noun, or it is a noun, or that is a noun, there is a noun, whatever it is, you just have to simply add the this. So here in Su you will be silent, so we will always call it this. Now let's understand with an example. Here it is writing gakuse this. Gakuse means student, so it will become I am a student. Let's take one more example. It will be sensei this, which means I am a teacher. Sensei means teacher. So this is how it works, noun plus this. So now you can see here that there was no subject in above sentences. Like I was hidden in the above sentences. So whenever the context shared between speaker and listener, subject can be omitted. If without the subject, sentence mean correctly like I am a student, or he is a student, or we are a student, or we can see here I am a teacher, he is a teacher, they are teachers. So we can use simply by using this, and if the meaning is not clear, then we will have to add the subject which we are talking about. So now let's understand what is a particle and what is the use of a particle. So basically a particle is a Japanese hiragana character which attached itself to a part of a sentence to show how it relates to the rest of the sentence. Let me make it clear for you with the help of an example. Like I am saying that I am going to school. Or I am going school. So here you can see the difference. Which sentence is correct? This one. So same work. This same work of a particle in Japanese sentences like to is working here. So if we will not add the particle, the sentence will become like this, which will have a less meaning. So that's why we use a particle. Now let's understand the use of wa particle, how we will use it, and what would be the use of this particle. The particle ha will be pronounced as particle wa, which follows the topic of a sentence and shows what we are talking about. So if we talk about the previous sentence, we can add wa after the pronunciation watashi. So the example would be like this: watashi wa gakusei desu, which means I am a student. Or there was one more example, it was sensei desu. So we can write here watashi wa sensei desu. Now you can see we just made a simple sentence by saying a topic plus wa particle, which is a topic marker, then we added the noun and we finally added the word this. So our pattern will be looking like this. topic plus wa particle plus noun plus this. So by using this pattern, we can make any kind of sentence like this is a book, that is a book, he is a teacher, he is Yamada-san. Whatever sentence we want to make, we can use this pattern to make that sentence. Now let's move further. Here we have some more examples, like I mentioned earlier, that we can make any kind of sentences, like we can tell about nationality, we can tell about age, we can tell about date, month, whatever we want to talk about, we can just explain by using this pattern. For example, watashi wa Indo jin desu. So basically jin is used for nationality. We can use jin with the any country's name to show their nationality. So it will become I am an Indian. So here one more sentence related to jin, which is Haruma-san wa Nihonjin desu, which means Mr. Haruma is a Japanese. So here we were talking about the nationality. Now we can talk about our occupation as well, like Kitamura-san wa sensei desu. Mr. Kitamura is a teacher. So we can construct many sentences by just using this pattern. We will have to simply use topic plus wa particle plus noun plus this. You just have to use the correct vocabulary at correct place. You should have known about what is the topic of the sentence and what is the noun of the sentence. Let's understood with some more examples. Now let's do some exercises. So our first sentence is watashi dash kaishain desu. Kaishain means company employee. So here our subject is watashi, which means I, dash kaishain desu. So our translation would be I am an employee or company employee. So here we have two options. So our correct answer would be wa, because this is a subject marker particle, topic marker particle. So that's why we will using it here as wa. Same, our next sentence is like this: watashi wa bakusei desu, which means I am a student. Suzuki-san dash sensei desu. So here we are talking about the occupation of Suzuki-san, but our sentence pattern would be the same: topic plus wa plus noun plus this. So here also correct answer would be wa. Here we will have to arrange the words in correct order. So our options are like igi risujin, Here again jin is used for nationality. Igirisu means England. This is name Emma wa san. So now let's remember again our sentence pattern, which is topic plus wa plus noun and this. So here we will have to identify the topic and noun. So our translation would be Emma is British. So it means our subject would be Emma-san. So our first option would be Emma, then we will use san, just to show the respect to the person. And if we have found the topic, then our next step is our particles. So at third we will use wa, and fourth is Igirisujin. So our sentence would be like this: Ema san wa Igirisujin des, which means Ema is British. Same is our next sentence, Hajime mashite, which means nice to meet you. It is used when we are meeting someone for the first time. So it would be nice to meet you. Kitamura desu. I am Kitamura. Here we have omitted watashi wa. Watashi dash desu. Here we have again four options which we will have to rearrange. First is jin, which is used to show the nationality. Des, America, wa. And our translation would be nice to meet you. I am Kitamura. I am American. So here we already have the subject I, watashi. So if we have the subject, we have the topic, then our next step is particle. So here first would be wa, then what is I? I am American. So I'll use America jin. And last one is this. So our sentence would be like this: Watashi wa America jin desu. So we have one more example, which is Kochira dash, and the translation would be this is Miss Suzuki. So we already have our subject Kochira, and our pattern is subject plus wa plus noun plus this. So here our noun would be Suzuki-san. So sentence pattern would be like this: Kochira wa Suzuki-san desu, which means this is Miss Suzuki. Guys, that was our particle wa. I hope you guys have understood. Then please do like this video, please share this video, and drop your comments in comment section. And if you guys have any issue, you can ask us directly by commenting in comment box. And see you guys in next videos. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Otsukaresama deshita. Take care.